This is the OGBOOKS Accounts Payable menu. Let's get started. To add an invoice, click on New AP Invoices. Look up the vendor. Type in the invoice number. Type in the invoice amount. Invoice date. Look up the property. Distribution level. AFE, if applicable. An account. The system automatically inserts the name of the GL account in the description column. If you want more detail to print on your JIB invoices, you can override and adjust the description as you like. This screen has a link to the virtual filing cabinet. Just drop the invoice into your high-speed scanner. Click Scan. And it's filed. Faster than you could walk to a filing cabinet and drop it into a folder. Okay. And retrieval is just as easy. Go back to the AP menu. Click AP Invoice Inquiry. Look up Crozier. There it is. Or what if one of your investors sent you an email that said, "What is this charge on my JIB for $8,520.90? You could just type in the amount and the system could find it. You could even find it if all you knew was the invoice number. Isn't that a whole lot easier than searching through a file drawer or an unfiled pile of papers, which is often the case? Now, where were we? Oh yes. New AP Invoices. Click on List to review the invoices you have just input, and when you are satisfied that all is well, go back to the menu and post the invoices. Now the Post New AP Invoices line appears in gray italics, indicating that all invoices entered have been posted. Additionally, when you post AP invoices, the system simultaneously and automatically posts entries to the other modules, so you only have to input your source data once. For example, that posting we just did not only posted the data to the AP module, it also sent a journal entry to the General Ledger module, an entry to the Joint Interest Billing module to be billed out when you process your JIB invoices to your working owners, and an entry to the AFE module. For invoices like monthly office rent that are the same every month, you can enter them as recurring AP invoices. They remain in the system, so you don't have to enter them again each successive month. Just post them as you need them. If at any time you need to remove an invoice that you have already posted to the system, you can click on Remove AP Invoices. Not only will the invoice be removed from the AP module, the entries that were made to the other modules when the invoice was originally posted will be reversed as well. AP Invoice Inquiry. You can look up any invoice by vendor, specific invoice number, or specific invoice amount. You only have to put in one of those criteria. From here, you can check the status of the invoices to see if they are pending or paid, and if paid, the check number and date. And as previously mentioned, you can also look at the actual invoice. You can look at your outstanding invoices payable by clicking Review Unpaid Invoices. You can also sort the same report by property. The Cash Requirements Report helps your cash management by allowing you to see how much cash you will be needing and when you will need it. When you are ready to pay bills, you can go to the Select AP Invoices. You can individually select which invoices you want to pay, or you can tell the system to automatically select all invoices due before a designated due date. After invoices have been selected, you can adjust them individually as you choose. After you are satisfied with your selection list, you are ready to print the checks. Enter the discount date, if applicable, the beginning check number, and check date. Click Continue to print the checks. Obviously, this is not a real check, but you get the idea. If all went well and the preliminary check register looks good, post the checks. In addition to clearing the invoices out of the AP module, the system has automatically made appropriate entries to the general ledger and to the checkbook listing found in the Bank Reconciliation module. Click on Review Vendor History, and you can see how much you have paid to selected vendors over selected time periods as you choose. You can also void checks as necessary from time to time. This concludes the Accounts Payable module demo. Time for lunch.